Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Hope RBI. I've been feeling little under the weather, so if my voice seems a little grunchy, I apologize for that. In this particular lecture, I'm going to talk about how to download the IGNOU notes for the management preparation for the RBI Grade B examination as well as SEBI Grade A examination. The syllabus for the motivation is almost similar in both these examinations, so you guys might have seen the video where I explained how to prepare for the management section for the RBI Grade B. Link will be in the iCard flashing right here. I have emphasized on IGNOU notes, and you guys have seen the video, but I don't think you have tried much enough to download IGNOU notes because it's not much of a big task to achieve. So in this particular video, I'm going to tell you how to download the IGNOU notes for the management. So I request you guys to firstly open up your browser. I'm using Chrome here. In this Chrome, let's search for a particular topic. For example, you have you have seen the syllabus for the management section of RBI or SEBI. For example, you have to study about the motivation portion of the management. So you just for it, motivation, IGNOU notes. I've searched for it already. That is why it is flashing here. So you just for the motivation IGNOU notes and you click enter. After that, you will find a very beautiful website of egyankosh.ac.in, or you can download much broader perspective of a particular topic from ignouhelp.in. That is it. So I'm going to tell you how you can download from eGyanKosh as well as from IGNOU Help. So first of all, click on the first link of eGyanKosh. Here, it will lead to the page here, and there is a PDF of Unit 1 PDF, and you can download it. You just click on view/open. After that, it will open up the PDF for you right here on your browser, and you can download it right from here. And this is the PDF for the motivation. So it is telling you all about the introduction, objectives, then the theories of motivation, the need theory, goal setting theory, attribution theory, drive theory, everything. And there is a summary, and it contains only 15 pages. So it is very much concise and very much important for you guys to understand the concepts from. So that is it for the PDF from the eGyanKosh section. As you can see, if I tell you guys, you will find Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory, very important. Most of the questions were from this. Also, the questions were from the Eldorfer's theory, Eldorfer's ERG theory, very much important also in your syllabus. And your Herzberg's motivator hygiene theory, all of these are very important from your examination point of view. So you can find every topic in these PDFs. Now I'm going to tell you about the IGNOU Help website, in which you will find more PDFs regarding a particular topic, that too from the IGNOU notes. So let's click on the IGNOU Help. You just click on it and it will lead to a page where you will find the topics regarding the introduction of motivation, theories of motivation, arousal, stress and motivation, and emotions. You know that emotions are not in your syllabus, so you can omit this out. You will just click on the introduction part, and after that it will lead to the download of a zip file, in which you will find about 3 to 4 PDFs, and in each PDF you will find most important things that you need to study regarding your syllabus. So let me open this particular zip file. After opening it, you will find out that it has 4 PDFs in this. So let's open the Unit 1. So in Unit 1 you will find again some basic concepts of motivation, like your intrinsic motivation, extrinsic motivation, all of those things you will be finding in this particular thing. It's very simple, easily downloadable, only 13 pages. As you can see, there are only 13 pages in this. And if I open up the Unit 2 of this particular PDF, a particular zip file, you will find out the categories of motivation, categories of motives, your motivational theories, and after that you will also find a little bit of emotion, a portion, but that is not in your syllabus. You can definitely omit it out. So about 10 to 12 pages you have to study from this PDF. It is also very concise. It is also very easy to understand. For anyone who is preparing for the motivation for the very first time, the language is extremely easy, trust me. So that is it for the motivation section. Let's make a little bit let's make it a little bit more easier for you guys. For example, you want to learn about the leadership theories, or you want to learn about the organizational structure. Most of you guys have watched various videos on YouTube where they are recommending you the books of L.M. Prasad or P.C. Tripathi for the organizational behavior. So you have heard about the word organizational behavior. Although specifically this thing it might not be mentioned in your syllabus, you have heard of it from various videos that you might find on YouTube. So you can just search for organizational behavior notes, and then IGNOU. That's it. in organizational behavior notes, you will also encounter this on eGyan or in IGNOU Help. You can download your notes from whichever website you want to. Let me show you from eGyan first. You just open it, and after that, these are the chapters: organizational behavior, leadership behavior in education management, decision making, communication. Communication is very important from the examination point of view. Most of the questions were from this topic. Leadership behavior is also very important. You just click any of it. For example, I want to learn leadership. Just open leadership behavior. And after that, it will lead you to these topics: leadership behavior in educational management, transformational leadership, leadership styles, leadership behavior, and overview. So you want to study about the leadership behavior first. You have to understand the basics. So you just download this. You just click on it. And after that, it will lead you to this PDF. And you just view or open it. It will open the PDF in your browser right there. You can download it easily. So let me open this. Here it is: leadership behavior, leader versus manager, attribute to the leaders vis-a-vis education system, characteristics for leadership in education system. All of these are very important from the subjective point of view. From the descriptive point of view, you can make good notes. Leadership theories: great man theory, trait theory, contingency theories, everything is mentioned in your syllabus, and you can find everything in these PDFs as well. So that is the main deal that you need to know about. And the pages, how many pages does it show? It shows 18 pages. As simple as that, as easy as that. So you only need to know about these things that are mentioned in your syllabus, and if you find anything extrapolis, everything that is not in your syllabus, you can just omit it out, and it will be as easy for you guys. So that is it for the video. If you have still any doubts in this video regarding this particular video, which I don't think you should have, but if you still have any doubts, you can comment down below, and I will be happy to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and share as much as you can so that all the aspirants who are in need to download the notes from the IGNOU topics regarding management, you can definitely download it. You can see this video and get a little bit of perspective. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.